Be yourself. Be you. Be the most authentic, unique self that you are. You were put on this earth as an individual. There is never, ever going to be another person like you. There's not another person who can act like you, who will look like you, who will have the same skill sets as you, have the same thoughts and ideas as you. And so you always looking, on social media, trying to be someone. You already are someone. You already are someone that you need to be. And so when you really think about it like this, there is only ever going to be one of you. So you are not superior to anyone. You are also not inferior to anyone. You are simply you. And so God created the man to be his own creative self. As a creator, you are a creator. So create the things that are unique to you. Why would you want to be with the crowd when you can be yourself? And I see so many people these days looking for the person that they should be when they already have the answers. It's in themselves, it's in their mind. And so the second that you can de-hypnotize yourself from trying to fit in, trying to do everything that everyone wants you to do instead of doing what you want to do, you have the power to change every single thing of your life. You have the power to achieve anything in this life. And so the second that you realize that the decision that you make have to come from yourself, have to come from your heart, your mind, and what you believe in. Because if you live your life based off of the perceptions of others, based off of what others are telling you to do, you will never live a happy life. You will never truly find fulfillment because the things that you have done throughout your life are based off of what others wanted you to do, based off of what they see you as, instead of what you actually want to do. There are so many different ways to be successful in this world. There are so many different routes that you can take. And it's about finding the one that you are most passionate about, the one that you want to do. Not what your parents want to do, not what your family, not what your friends want or think is best for you. Sure, they will tell you advice. They will say, hey, I've tried and I failed. That's okay. But realize that just because that they failed at something, just because it didn't work out for them, doesn't mean it's not going to work out for you. And so take any advice from other people with a grain of salt. Because they don't have all the answers. You also don't have the answers, but you are there to figure it out. You are on this life to figure it out. So please, 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 if there's one thing that you can take away, it's be yourself. Don't ever let anyone tell you you can't do something. And be you. There's no comparison. You look on social media, there's someone else with more followers, more viewers, more engaging, more money. But you don't see what they did. So there's no comparison because the journey that they are on is different from the journey that you are on. And so timelines are different. The same way that if they look at you, there's no comparison. You shouldn't be comparing yourself to others, and others shouldn't be comparing themselves to you because every single person is unique. There is 7 billion unique individuals on this planet. And so it's about finding the things that you love to do, the things that you want to do every single day, chasing after those each and every day without the fear of what others will think of you. And that should start today if you haven't already started. Because that is when you actually start living, is the second that you start being yourself, you start doing what you want to do without the fear of what others will think of you. Because you're going to look crazy. But I would rather look crazy and do things that I love than fit in. And in my mind, in my head, I'm like, wow, I really don't want to do this. Why am I doing this? I'm never going to be happy because I'm always just trying to look good or be a people pleaser. Don't do that. Be you.